Hello there. Pathobiology for investigators, students, and academicians, otherwise known as PISA, is the showcase standalone symposium for the American Society for Investigative Pathology, ASIP. On behalf of the PISA 2020 Organizing Committee, I'd like to extend a very warm invitation to join us and all of your ASIP colleagues November 9th through 13th of 2020 for 5 days of cutting-edge pathobiology. Goals of PISA 2020 are the exchange of knowledge and resources, strategies and solutions, and much more in a virtual and interactive environment anchored to a scientific program that expands over several days. The PISA 2020 theme is pathobiology that drives discovery, diagnosis, and treatment of human diseases, present and future.
The meeting will be offered virtually using a collaborative platform that will facilitate dynamic scientific interactions through major plenary sessions from world-class researchers, complemented by concurrent, disease-focused, and organ-specific symposia, including abstract-driven talks and poster sessions. The major scientific sessions will be commingled with workshops focused on education, career development, and networking, and several Meet the Expert sessions organized by scientific interest groups. And they're appealing to investigators from all professional levels, from undergraduate students to established investigators.
The program will be enriched by speakers from the greater academic and entrepreneurial scientific community, luminaries from the broader national landscape, and distinguished educators from top universities. Reflecting the interest of the full ASIP membership, there'll be a strong emphasis on neoplasia, inflammation, endothelial and epithelial cell biology, liver pathobiology, imaging, and fundamental cell biology. PISA 2020 represents an outstanding opportunity to engage with the scientific community from around the world and from the comfort of your very own home or lab. The program schedule is designed to be flexible. It will allow registrants an opportunity to participate in both live and on-demand sessions. So, mark your calendars and make plans to join us November 9th through 13th, 2020 at what promises to be an outstanding virtual meeting experience.